Hello, and welcome to another edition of Inside the Vault. Today, we'll be speaking again with Nick Barisheff, President and CEO of Bullion Management Group and author of $10,000 Gold, Why Gold's Inevitable Rise is the Investor's Safe Haven. Nick, there's been some recent talk in the alternative media about China's imminent announcement of their gold holdings. What's going to happen to the gold price around the time of the announcement? Do you think the price will go down before it goes up?
Well, the current thinking about, between most gold observers is that we'll have one more leg down, and that could potentially get to as low as 1,000. The thinking is that that would be very short-lived, and it would likely happen late spring or early summer. Once that happens, it'll be a quick down leg and a reversal. And from that point forward, then we'll get into the new up leg that has been anticipated with this bottom being, formed. The normal thing is not to sell your physical bullion, because physical bullion you hold for wealth preservation. And if you want to trade, you would use either futures, derivatives, puts and calls, or puts and calls on an ETF. And a time to have done that would have been the 1900 peak in 2012. Right now, the thing to do is to rebalance the portfolio, and since equities have had a very strong run, now it would be time to reduce the equity holdings and increase the gold holdings. The old saying, buy low, sell high, seems to be forgotten by many investors today. But by doing that, rebalancing your portfolio, the portfolio will perform better at lower volatility. From this point in time, I think that the price will start moving upwards, and we could hit as high as $2,000 when we have the first announcement on China's gold reserves. That will likely come in May, as they will have to make their case to have the renminbi from part of the IMF SDR basket. And at that point, they'll have to disclose their gold holdings. And it would be at that point that you would see a massive change in the gold price upward, and as well as a decline in the US dollar. The bottom line is people should be aware of this. There will be a tremendous buying opportunity when we have this short-term low. And then from that point upward movement for many years to come, what I think, and that's where we can ultimately see numbers like $10,000 gold over the next 5 years.
Thank you, Nick. It certainly sounds like now is the ideal time to rebalance our portfolios with gold. We're going to delve deeper into this topic during the next edition of Inside the Vault, so be sure to tune in to our next episode. To learn more about how to include precious metals in your portfolio, go to www.bmgbullion.com. Thanks for watching.